All right, we are going to go for an afternoon cruise, kayaking cruise on Ayers Lake. What town is this? Barrington? In Barrington, New Hampshire. Nice quiet little lake. Small little boat launch. They just dumped some fresh gravel. If you're looking to put a boat in here, this is the place to do it. Clean boats, clean waters. We got some local residents over there, a family of geese. Looks like lots of babies. GoPro probably can't pick up on it because it's so far away. They did just cross the road, and no bacteria notices, right? No, I think if they had milfoil or anything like that, or whatever, not red tide, but the bacteria, they put a notice there. But there it is. I didn't notice it said it there. Ayers Lake boat launch, and I believe it's Barrington, New Hampshire. It could be on the Rochester border, but all right. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, and we are off. Got the metal detector just in case I see a spot that looks like it might hold some treasure. All right, let's check out beautiful Ayers Lake, Barrington, New Hampshire. All right, we are out here on the beautiful lake, and that over there is Camp Fireside's private beach, but I believe it may be only if you're a resident, but online you could buy passes to use the beach all summer long. I don't know how much they are. Maybe I'll look it up, throw it up on the screen. Camp Fireside offers passes to use their beach all summer. There's Mommy and Lily, and I better start catching up. Alright, and right here is a couple rope swings. Looks like they could use a little work. Some of them are broken, but that would be a good spot to metal detect. However, it's obviously here because it's super deep. Alright, the Ayers Lake. Whoa, a great blue heron. Didn't see that there. Oh boy. What a beautiful day to be alive. Well, I take that back. Every day, even if it's pouring rain outside, is a beautiful day to be alive. But look at the beauty of Mother Nature. So nice. So nice. It is hot, so we're probably going to find somewhere to beach these things and go for a swim. Stonework, big granite blocks. Some of them have those old cut marks. That's cool. Imagine having that kind of money. Crazy. And a couple of years ago there was a storm and it destroyed all these little cabins. You can see the roof on that one is caved in. There's a bunch of cabins all the way around, and then there's the Ayers Lake Campground is up there. And that old yellow farmhouse and all of this land is, I think it's called the Ayers Lake Campground or Ayers Lake Family Campground. We'll throw that up on the screen once we figure out the name of that. Mostly seasonals. They do have a couple whatever you call them, transient sites if you're looking to camp on Ayers Lake. They have a couple, but most of these people at this campground are here all summer long. And there's the old farmhouse where the owners of the campground live. Cool. And there's a better view of the old farmhouse. I believe it's from the 1800s, could be older. And I think up around the corner there would be the Ayers Lake Dam. Alright, not sure if we're gonna go all the way over there, but probably. Alright, we found a spot to get in the water here. And I think I got it, maybe I didn't. Let's see what's in here. Rocks. Oh, there's a coin.
Can I see it?
And we have ourselves a copper penny.
Copper penny.
Alright, we're rich.
I'm gonna go over to your boat and place it on there.
Okay. And we have ourselves another copper penny. Copper penny.
Copper?
2 cents richer. There we got ourselves an Eagleback quarter. Really, we're 25 cents richer this time. Alright, this one was an 80 tone, which can be silver. It also could be a low beeping quarter. Did I get it? Maybe oh, it's a penny? How did a penny ring up that high? It's a copper penny at least. Alright.
How many cents richer?
29.
That's 29 cents?
Well, this is one.
Oh.
But we already hit, this is our 4th penny. Alright, what's that? Ring. We got ourselves a ring in the scoop. I hope it's a ring. It sure looks like one. Yes. Oh, it's a Mickey Mouse ring. It has a Mickey Mouse on it. It looks silver too.
I want it.
Don't lose it. It's a Mickey Mouse. It has a Mickey Mouse for a stone, and it's a silver ring. It's pretty cool. And Lily's bringing her treasure back to the boat. We got ourselves a miniature letter P. Don't lose it. It's our treasure. Alright, we got another. This one was a 90.91. It's probably going to be another quarter, but it was higher than the last one. You know what? I don't know. See anything?
Yeah.
You do?
Quarter, I think.
Again? Let me see. It's not silver, is it?
Nope.
No, it's a state quarter. Wipe all that black off there. Yeah, what state is it? Oh, it's Maine. A Maine state quarter. We got to like almost $1. Alright. Could be, I guess, a penny. Could be a dime.
Ooh.
This one was like a 70 something. Oh, yeah. Seagrass. Make sure there's nothing metal in there. And let's see. Did we get it? I see a coin. It's right there. You see it? Let me see. It's a dime. Alright, the only thing we haven't dug is a nickel. Let me see. Make sure it's not silver. Got that silver look to it. But I don't know what the date is. Could be silver. I don't know what year it is. We got ourselves a clad dime or a silver dime. I think it's clad. Alright. Metal detecting excursion success. We got ourselves a ring. And the sun is setting. And it is just about dinner time. So it is time to row all the way back across this lake and get ourselves some dinner. And probably can't pick that up on the GoPro, but there's a whole family of geese over there. And we have our signs that tell us about the loons because they nest over here on these islands. All right, and time to row again. Imagine being filthy rich and having a house like that. Look at all the baby geese on the lawn, pooping everywhere. Look at that place. In my dreams, right? Wow. And there is the Camp Fireside beach. You could buy yourself an online pass, I believe. Not sure if it's just residents only, like I said before.